Okay, beautiful one from Chef Ricardo. Okay, now I'm gonna start this one right now with Chef Ricardo, and I'm gonna show you exactly what you need to do to make this an amazing drink. Okay, now what we're gonna do is get one medium-sized grated beetroot, pour it straight inside of your jug right here, just like this, guys. Okay, so now as you can see exactly what's going on. Thirdly, we're gonna get 1 glass of orange juice, fresh orange juice. Okay, so I squeezed some orange juice earlier in like this. Okay, just like this. I want to get all of that juice out of it. Okay, all right, nice. Once you do that, get yourself some grated ginger and put it straight inside of it. Next, what you're gonna do, get some lime juice or lemon. Okay, squeeze it in like this. One more. All right. Now what you want to do next is mix it really well. But what you want to do, you want to drink this before you go to your bed. Okay? Mix it really well. Alright, then we got some organic honey. Pour it inside of it, 1 teaspoon. Now, what you're gonna do is, once you mix it well, okay, this is what you're gonna need to do next. Okay, you have to do this. All right. All right, that's such a lovely drink. All right, you just have to squeeze it out like this. All right, so that looking good. Yeah, once you squeeze it out, trust me, this is it right here, guys. Beautiful, nice and lovely. All right, I want you to enjoy the recipe and please subscribe to the YouTube channel. Drink this before you go to your bed tonight. All right, and you will see the difference in your body. If you drink it every night, beetroot is very good for you. All right, give it a try, give it a go. Okay, guys, this is just a simple one from Chef Ricardo this evening. Stay tuned in, we got a lot more recipes coming and a lot more ideas. All right, please tell a friend and a friend tell a friend. As you can see it right here, beetroot, orange, ginger and lime. Drink it before you go to your bed. All right, please tell a friend and a friend tell a friend. Thank you for watching. Stay tuned in. See you next time. Bye bye.